Traveling to London, one of the world's most iconic cities, doesn't have to break the bank. With a bit of planning and smart choices, you can experience the best of London while keeping your wallet happy. Here are 10 tips to help you save money on your next trip to the UK capital. One of the most effective ways to find a cheap flight to London is by booking well in advance. Airlines often offer lower prices for tickets purchased months ahead of departure. Additionally, consider flying mid-week when prices tend to be lower compared to weekends. London's public transportation system is extensive and well-connected, making it easy to get around without needing a car. Opt for an Oyster card or a contactless payment method to access buses, trains, and the famous tube at a discounted rate. London offers a variety of accommodations, from luxury hotels to budget-friendly hostels. Consider staying in a hostel Airbnb or a budget hotel to save money. Areas slightly outside the city center often provide cheaper options while still being accessible via public transport. Take advantage of free attractions. London is home to many world-class museums and galleries that offer free entry, such as the British Museum, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern. Strolling through iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace, Hyde Park, and Covent Garden is also free and gives you a true taste of the city. Eat like a local. Dining out in London can be expensive, but there are plenty of ways to enjoy delicious food on a budget. Visit local markets like Borough Market or Camden Market for affordable and diverse food options. You can also look for restaurants that offer pre-theater or lunch specials for cheaper meals. Use a travel pass. If you plan to visit multiple paid attractions, consider purchasing a London Pass or Explorer Pass. These passes offer discounted entry to many top attractions and can help you save significantly on admission fees. Traveling during off-peak seasons, such as late autumn or early spring, can save you money on everything from flights to accommodations. London's major attractions are less crowded during these times, allowing for a more enjoyable experience. 8. Shop smart. London is a shopper's paradise, but it's easy to overspend. Visit outlet stores or budget-friendly shopping areas like Primark, TK Maxx, or the vintage markets in Shoreditch to find great deals on clothing and souvenirs. 9. Avoid tourist traps. While London has many famous attractions, some can be overpriced. Consider exploring lesser-known neighborhoods and attractions to get an authentic experience without the high price tags associated with more popular tourist spots. 10. Book with TBS Global Travel. One of the best ways to ensure cheap travel to London is by booking your flights, hotels, and car rentals through TBS Global Travel. This platform offers great deals and discounts, making it an excellent choice for budget-friendly travel to London. By bundling your bookings, you can save even more, allowing you to allocate your budget to other exciting activities and experiences in the city. In conclusion, traveling to London on a budget is entirely possible with the right planning and resources. By following these tips and making use of services like TBS Global Travel, you can enjoy all that London has to offer without overspending. Safe travels!